Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. I am the Dawgfatha, and this is Barbecue Boulevard with the Dawgfatha. Now, today I've got a very quick and easy recipe that, you know what, it's going to kind of wow your friends and family around the holiday season. Today, we're talking about grilled lamb chops with a whiskey fig sauce. Now, guys, before we get started, I want to say, hey, big shout out to Pendleton Whisky. We've teamed up with them for this video. So, yeah, we got to pour a glass of this. All right, cheers. Let's get into this recipe. All right, so to get started with this recipe, we're going to put together a rub here. And now I've got some salt in my container here. And to that, we're going to add some garlic powder, some rosemary, a little thyme, some paprika, smoked paprika that is, and a little black pepper. All right, we're going to put the top on here, and we're just going to shake that up. And then that's going to be our rub that we're going to put on our lamb. All right, now here we've got our beautiful lamb chops here, and we're going to get them seasoned up. And what I'm going to do is just put a little spray oil on here. This is just some olive oil, and we're going to apply our rub. And I'm just going to go liberally with this rub all over these lamb chops. All right. And we get these guys flipped over. All right, so now we've got these lamb chops nicely seasoned up. All right, and we're going to let these rest and soak in these flavors. And we're going to get them on the grill. All right, guys, now we got our lamb chops all seasoned up, and today we're using our Pit Boss Phoenix. Now, I've got it lit up with some harder charcoal briquettes, and we're going to put together a whiskey fig glaze that's going to be awesome on these lamb chops. So again, today we're going to be using our Pendleton Whisky, and I'm going to show you how we're going to get this glaze put together, so let's get to it. All right, so we got a little cast iron dish in here, and we've got our whiskey that we're just going to pour right into our dish. And it's a little hot. We got it preheated there. And I'm not measuring, guys. We're just going to pour some in here because we're going to reduce it down anyway. But we've got about that much in there. Now, to this whiskey, I've got some figs here. And these are just roughly chopped, dry packed figs. We're going to get that put into our whiskey here. Get it back over our heat. Let that get going. And we're just going to mix this through here. And name of the game here is just we're going to get this whiskey reduced down here. As it reduces, it burns off the alcohol, but intensifies the flavor. And so that's what we're going to be doing with this. Now to this, I've got some brown sugar here that I'm going to add in. And again, we're going to just get this mixed through. All right, so as we've got this reducing down here, guys, I'm going to add a little hot honey to the situation here, just because I can. And I like that. So a little spiciness goes in here, just because, you know, that's what we like. If you don't like the spicy, obviously just don't even put it in. You can omit that, but we're going to go ahead and add that in there. So we've got that in here. And then we're going to also add just a little bit of Dijon mustard there. And again, we're just going to keep mixing this through. The Dijon is going to help this sauce just kind of emulsify and just mix together well. And again, we're just going to let it keep reducing down here, guys. And we'll be ready to get these lamb chops on here in a minute. All right, guys. Now we've been going here for a good 10 minutes or so on this sauce here. So we're going to go ahead and get ready to pull this off and let it rest. So we're going to get ready to get these lamb chops on. All right, guys. So we're going to get these lamb chops on here. We're just going to get them on the grill here. And there's really no rhyme or reason as to how I'm getting them on the grill. I'm just getting them on. Man, that smells good already. I'm smelling that rosemary and the thyme is just really coming out already. All right, so we've got our lamb chops onto the grill here. Now we've got our sauce here that we put together, and I've just got some rosemary here that I've kind of bundled together and tied up. And we're going to use this to baste our sauce onto our lamb chops here. And just another little element of flavor. So we're just going to dab that on there. Just like that. And we're going to let this kind of slow cook here because we don't want to cook these lamb chops too fast. They are red meat, guys. I know a lot of people don't understand how to cook lamb. It is red meat, so you do want to kind of adhere to your red meat rules when you're cooking your lamb chops. All right, we're going to give these guys a flip right quick here. And they're coming along nicely, getting some good color on them there. Hopefully you guys are able to see that well. All right, so now that we've got these flipped over, we're gonna come back with our rosemary and dab some of that sauce onto these guys again. All right, and we're gonna let these guys keep going. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and give these another flip here right quick. And I'm just flipping them back and forth here because I just want to, develop a good color on them. I don't want to overdo them, but they're coming along nicely. They're smelling really good. I'm just kind of moving them around here. All right, and these are going to be about ready to get off the grill here. I think we're going to give it one more dab of our sauce here. So these are smelling fantastic. I think we've got a good little char on them. I think we're ready to get them off. So I'm going to get these lamb chops off the grill and I'll meet you back over at the block. All right, guys, we are back here at the block. We've got our lamb chop. I can't keep talking about this because these are smelling good. I don't know. Like I said, I'm not really a lamb eater like that, but let's go in. Cheers. Oh, man. Mm-hmm. Oh, yeah. Oh, yeah. Guys, I'll tell you what, that is fantastic. I mean, the rosemary, I can really taste that rosemary come through. The sweetness from the brown sugar and the spicy honey with the figs. I mean, it's just a really good flavor. Man, I'm telling you, this was a fun cook, fast cook, and it's a fantastic cook. I'll tell you what, I'm not going to keep talking about this because this really does, it does hit the taste buds kind of right. So I'm going to have to get into this, and I'm going to have to get into this. Thank you guys for coming to check out the video. And hey, thank you to Pendleton for a fantastic whiskey to put with these lamb chops. I'm out. See you in the next video. Peace.